Hello, my name is Rachel Poe, and this is my assignment about the Great Smoky Mountains. The Great Smoky Mountains, which is in Tennessee and some parts of North Carolina, is very interesting. Animals play an essential role in maintaining a healthy environment. Among other ways, they help with pollination, pest control, and climate control. The most important role varies. Animals play in the Great Smoky Mountains is keeping healthy plant communities. While many insects and birds help pollinate and disperse seeds, they can get out of control. Deer are very invasive due to overgrazing. The deer population in general is out of control, and overgrazing can cause plants to be weak and have a hard time reproducing. Rabbits also have a trait of being invasive due to overgrazing. The Great Smoky Mountains has experienced some invasive species, such as the hemlock woolly altoids, which is a tiny insect but is a very, very serious threat. Without wolf predation, elk had killed many of the smaller trees that line riverbanks. Once wolves were reintroduced, the elk herds couldn't sit in one spot and were forced to keep moving. So the plants that they kept overgrazing regrew back. And overgrazing is a very, very big problem for many species because they herd.